That's fine.
Let me help her out. Pass this thing around.
Please.
I'm gonna pass it to the back.
Yeah.
But they could use it. I actually don't agree with that.
Yeah, I think you should.
Yeah.
But
She said video me drinking my water.
No. I'm like, I keep forgetting and I keep being like really close. I'm like, oh my god.
Well, it probably does like the.
It's like a 360,
Yeah,
so
so
I'm.
it's probably like all zoomed out.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because I really would not like that. I mean, I guess it'd be fine, but it's not very interesting.
After his brain, and like that, I don't think they would get him out. Nor did he want to the house.
Did you say we're like, is there another staircase?
I don't know. He says
Earlier
turn
he
it
was
on.
saying that would be a good time for that.
Yeah, and I turned it on during that. So let's see what we come across.
You know, explaining him what just happened, and then Gabby saying,
I bet you could persuade me. This is good.
Hey, Will, you want this? Grab this bad boy.
Sure.
Thanks.
We're going this way?
we're stopping.
Well, there's a lot of bugs there. I was gonna suggest we get a picture, but
Yeah, no.
I don't want to.
There's a cool tree.
I don't want to eat any.
it's gotta be like at least 100
I think it's
Way more, I bet.
Well, we'll almost be back at our bus.
Yeah, it's like a bench.
Oh yeah. Take a seat.
Oh. It's a good seat. That woman who was asking for a seat, she said
Yeah, she could have.
Yeah.
Should have kept going.
Well, she was coming from this way, wasn't
Right? That's what I'm saying.
She's jumping from seat to seat.
I don't want to lose you guys.
Alright.
They've seen enough trees.
Has this been recording the whole time? It held
No,
back.
no,
Oh.
no.
You just started when you handed it to me?
Yeah. Well, he told me to turn it on like 30 seconds ahead, and then I was like, someone take it. And he's like, yeah, someone counts it. And then
I
taking
see.
it.
I feel bad for
We'll
whoever's
probably
sitting
take
through
it.
this footage now.
Forever's what?
Sitting through this footage.
Yeah, right. I'm sure you could speed it up.
I mean, honestly, it's only probably been like 5 minutes of actually recording this whole time.
Yeah, but it's just us walking.
Man, I don't want to walk with these dirty shoes onto a bus.
Well, there's probably like a little station to like rub your feet off or something.
Yeah.
Get as close as you can.
reach right behind it. I also got a photo of him, so.
Hopefully this screen is not all musty. Rub it off, make it clean. Yeah. We're at 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Get up in the sky for a little bit.
Dr. Martin. Jose said that when we're up
Yeah, I'd love to do one of those. That'd be cool.
Jose said when we're up in the mountain, there's a boat.
If you go on my Instagram and go on like the highlights on the top, it's me hiking in like near State College, and there's like a video of me picking up one of the rattlesnakes.
Oh, dude.
And I was
Really?
like, I could totally put this on YouTube. Go ahead, you go.
That's scary.
It was actually really calm until I picked it up, and then it got a little hungry.
Well, I wonder why.
I guess that's how it works with turkeys.
We found like what I think was like a black rat snake too. That one was way more feisty.
Just thinking about the way they eat animals.
Yeah. You see that one like python that ate like a small grandma?
A woman? Yeah.
Yeah. The video was kind of messed up though, because when they cut it open to check her, someone snagged her necklace. I hope it was a family member, but like someone like grabbed it and like immediately backed away.
Oh my
I was like, did they just rob her out of a python?
That's so awful.
Well, it's funny because Dr. Martin, if one of those snakes that can eat a human eats a human, how long until they feel the need to eat another one? Like months?
Yeah, like a really long time, I think. I don't know about
You
months.
suppose I have experience in these matters.
What do you mean? Aren't you guys like? You said you're gonna
Thought
feed
you
the
might
children
know
back
some
there.
random fun facts.
No idea. So I'll tell you the story in a different way.
Okay.
Or not a story, but the biology in a different way.
Like a deer.
These sit and wait constricting snakes are now pretty well known to, you know, they'll eat a big meal, they'll rebuild their whole intestinal villi with, you know, a huge investment of their energy resources, and it becomes a significant part of their body mass. And then between meals, they let it waste away, so they don't sit and eat anyway.
With different days of the week, they'll run barefoot to practice their foot strength and technique. Or like on.
Say hello.
Video I saw on Instagram where it's like a huge snake ate a whole alligator,
Yeah.
and then they pulled it out.
Wait, I didn't see that.
pulled the alligator. So then they took it to a lab or whatever, and they pulled the alligator out, and it was just a dead alligator, not like digested at all. But it was like covered in slime. It's crazy.
So cool.
It was really cool. Maybe later I'll try and find it and show it to you because it's pretty nuts.
I mean, just none of those pictures where it's like 20 people just holding the snake like across in front of them.
It was a huge snake.
There's this guy on YouTube who like keeps snakes. He's like, I don't know if he's like a conservationist. I don't know. But there's one snake of his that had eaten its tail, and they can do this from time to time. Like maybe if they're nervous or something. But it had eaten its